So this is another floor by Peninsula Floating Floors. Pretty proud of this one. Couple of things, it's a sunshine, which I don't have any videos of. And secondly, I think it's the first job I've ever done without screwing up a plank. At 30 bucks each. It's almost a slab of beer, so yeah, pretty chuffed with that. And really put an effort into all the finishes and the trims. Skirts just need caulking and they're going to be repainted, filled and repainted. But yeah, I've really gone and put some attention to detail into this one. And what was nice is the height of the floor is 16 mil, and with the tile and the cement must come to about 12. So only 4 or 5 mil difference in height. Normally you'd use a reducer, but I've got away with a universal, which is basically just a flat strip you'd normally join two level surfaces with. So yeah, it's on a little slab, it's almost invisible, so I'm pretty chuffed. That was one of the things that was going to bother me. So we're going to have a little look around. It's about 45 square metres. So into the hall again, the old tea mould always does its job, always looks beautiful, and ties down the floor to the carpet. So obviously got, normally that would just sort of sit there, but now it's bound in tight, don't get any flex at all. I've actually run out of glue, believe it or not, so I've got to come back and do these two trims here and one into the laundry, but that's one of those things. Cupboards, of course. Never get the skirts off. Just can't get the purchase on a hammer, so we just bead them. Nice and tidy, undercut. That central divider, lovely and clean. New blade in the arm saw, so you get nice clean cuts. So yeah, pretty happy with that. Got the main living area, minimalistic. This is for the lovely Anne. Did you find me on my website or High Pages? I can't remember. So I've got to put the trim here into the laundry. Again, tees. Just looks so good. I'm putting tees. Even if I'd gone in there with the wood, I'd put a tee in there because it just looks nice. Good building practice, and you can also, you don't have to do any back fitting, you can forward fit every room. Not that it's that much easier, but yeah, every little helps, as they say. So this is the main living area. Really come out nice. It's absolutely perfect. I haven't had to bodge anything, no fills. Every board's tight. Another tee. In front of the, I think they're expensive, but this is worth every penny rather than just sticking a bit of bead there or a bit of cheap tea mould. Just looks great. I say cheap tea mould, it's not that cheap. Here's a tea mould there. It's really nice in front of the unit, the kicker. Just disappears, you can hardly see it. Some nice 22.5s. Again, the height difference, it's worked really nicely. Took me an hour to do that. Bugger around, they're not 22.5, some are 21.5. But pretty happy with that for a mitre. It's not bad, is it? Not as much hassle as the Merrick's fireplace. I went through about 100 bucks with a trim trying to get that one mitered. But yeah, it's, as you can hardly see, this, you just can't see the height difference. It just blends in beautifully. So this is sunshine. Basically you've got moon followed by beach. It's a little bit more woody and got some wood and some orangey flecks in it. This one's more woody, darker again. You get a really nice contrast with the white walls. So this is the only sunshine I've got on video. And then the sunset, which Matt Fowler Unlimited, he used for his own house, is a shade darker again. I mean, I go with the beach every time, but now I'm looking at this is lovely, and Matt's looks lovely. He's right, if you go too light, And then you've got all your white walls. You know, you've got no contrast. And they all go with everything. Look, the furniture, when it's... I mean, I've got to come back and do the trim, so hopefully Anne will have this all furnished. I think she's grabbing the forces tomorrow to come and sort it out with her. But, yeah, it's... well, the Kronoswiss Aquastop, it's just bloody beautiful, this stuff. AC5, 72 hours water resistance. For me it's waterproof. I've had a bit in a bucket for about 6 months. No expansion at all. Try it and click it back into and fit it again. There you have it. I've been zooming around my videos before and it's makes you a bit sick. So I know they're long, but if you're thinking of the colour, at least you get a really good feel for it. So yeah, really pleased with those transitions. So glad I didn't put reducers in. I mean, let's do another quick, slow walk through. So I'll put a new blade on my arm saw to get beautiful, clean undercuts. So, makes all the difference. Look at those. Seven minutes of flooring. I'm a floor bore, no friends, just lay floors. I bloody love it. So rewarding. I just see the client's face. This used to be an old brown carpet. I don't think I've got it before when it was the carpet, but I bet Anne will be ringing me up in 6 months to come and do the bedrooms. I'd really like to get a beach and a sunset and a sunshine and mix them up and smash the floor down. I reckon it'd look bloody brilliant. Really love that. Now it's worth putting an hour of my life into it because look at that all day. Right, sorry to bore you, but thanks for watching. If you like it, or if you got any questions, fire them through. If you're in the Melbourne area, we'll come and do the same for you. You know, we lay floors as if it's our own home. That's the difference. We don't come in and $30 a metre and just want to get in and out, cut corners. You know, it takes as long as it takes, and you know, attention to detail is what it's all about, and just the finishing and everything. I mean, these boards, all the way down the wall, all the same width. And I calculated it, so mini hall, but look, this board and this board are exactly the same width. It's just, you know, it's a 2-minute calculation and it makes all the difference. If I'd come up the hall long ways, I'd have done the same, so it's absolutely equidistant there, but we went along the longest route, which is from here all the way through there. Could have gone the other way, but I think this is the correct way. 9 minutes 13. Okie dokie. Thanks for watching, and if you got to the end, go and buy yourself a drink and send me the bill. Cheers.